What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode we are going to be taking a deep dive into the difference between the OTC market and the live market when trading on pocket option. We're also going to be exploring and answering a question that I get asked on a daily basis, and that is, are the OTC markets on pocket option manipulated? Before we go any further, it's very important that I let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. Before you guys invest any money into anything, whether you see it on my platform or any other platform out there, please make sure that you guys do your own research, conduct your own due diligence, and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Trading is risky and you can lose all your capital, so please do not invest more than you are comfortable with. With that being said, if you guys do get value from today's video, please go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure that you guys stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be putting you guys on some serious game that's going to up your trading level. If you guys do have any comments or questions, please leave them below in the description section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So the first thing we need to cover is, what are the OTC markets? Now, OTC stands for over the counter, and this is a market where the data is set by the broker. So there's no way to verify the prices that you're seeing, and this information or data is not available anywhere else. Now, with the live market, this is verified data that you can go and check on third-party trading platforms such as tradingview.com. Now, the main difference when it comes to pocket option between the OTC market and the live market is two things. Number one, the OTC market tends to give you a higher percentage payout, and the OTC market is virtually open 24/7, which means that when the live market closes on Friday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the OTC market will remain open throughout the weekend. Okay, it's virtually open 24/7. Now, if you head over to pocketoption.com, you guys can see when you're selecting the currencies that you have a range of OTC pairs. And as you can see, the payout for the majority of them is 92%. Now, there are some pairs in there like USD CAD here that is also paying 92%. But what you typically tend to find is that the majority of currency pairs from the live market are paying these types of percentages here, okay? Anywhere between 70 to 84% on average. And again, if you scroll back to the OTC currency pairs, which is over the counter, you will see that they give a payout of 92%. Now, there are pros and there are cons to anything, and I want to cover the pros and the cons of trading on the OTC versus the live market. Now, as we've already covered, the pros of trading on the OTC market are the fact that the payout percentages are higher, and on top of that, the market is open 24/7. Now, the main downside of trading on the OTC currency pairs on pocketoption.com is, as I mentioned, this is data that is set by the broker. So there really is no way to verify whether this data is real, whether this data has been manipulated, whether this data is reliable or trustworthy. And it means that it's very hard for you to do any type of analysis, okay? Now, the upside of trading on normal currency pairs, okay, that are non-OTC, let's take USD CAD, for example, is that you can go over to tradingview.com right now and you can verify that this is a real chart. You can see the real price in real time. You can compare the two side by side, and you can know confidently that what you're seeing on pocketoption.com is real market data in real time. Okay, this means that you can analyze and do chart markups on TradingView. You can come over to Pocket Option and you can place your trades confidently, knowing that the prices are not being manipulated in any way as they may be when it comes to, of course, the OTC pairs. Now, the main downside, like I mentioned, with the live market is the percentage payouts, okay? As you can see, like I mentioned, the average is kind of between, 80 to 85% when it comes to the normal currency pairs that are non-OTC. And of course, if you're risking your money in the live market, particularly when it comes to binary options, you want to get the highest payout percentage possible. You're already risking more than what you can make, even at 92%. So you wouldn't really want to go any lower than that. Now, the main thing that people say when it comes to the OTC market is that it is manipulated. Now, what you have to understand is that when you're in the financial markets, everything is manipulated, okay? The price of gold is manipulated. The price of Bitcoin is manipulated, okay? Currency pairs are manipulated. They're being manipulated by the hedge funds, the market makers, the big players in the game, the brokers. Everyone is involved in manipulation to some degree when it comes to trading in the financial markets. Now, all we can do as retail traders, which is everyday people, is manage our risk, okay? We manage our risk, we practice risk management, we follow a strategy, and we aim to become more profitable than not in the long term, okay? Is the OTC market manipulated on pocket option? Very possibly. Is there any way to prove it either side or the other? No, okay? Because there's no third-party information to verify this, it's very hard to prove it one way or another. Now, I want to know your opinion when it comes to the OTC market versus the live markets. I want to know your experiences. I want to know if you believe that there is manipulation taking place. I want to know if you've been more successful trading the live market or if you've been more successful trading the OTC market. So please drop your comments and any questions below this video. Now, I mentioned at the start that I have something that I believe will put you guys on game, and that's a free Telegram community. Okay, in this community, I do daily live trading sessions where I call out live trade ideas that you guys have the option to follow for free. Okay, you can simply jump into the Telegram channel, message me through my private Telegram in the description section as well, and simply say binary. Okay, I'll add you into the group, and every day at around 7 or 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we do live daily trading sessions. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys got value. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.